So can you tell me an example of working with an employment law client today?
Sure. One that comes to mind is a very nice lady who contacted me. She was actually an assistant HR, human resource manager at another large retailer. And she called me very upset. She had worked there for a long time, and she told me a story, almost a make-believe story of sexual harassment. And I listened to her story, and I took that case. I think it's a case that a lot of lawyers would have rejected. And the reason is because the person that she was complaining about who harassed her, the store manager, the company actually took steps, meaning they terminated the manager, as soon as they learned that she was doing the harassment to my client. I took the case because that wasn't good enough for me, and I thought that the company should have known about this harassment if my client's story was true, which it ended up being true. They should have known about the harassment a year or two prior to when they first learned about it, when my client reported it to them. And my client was a pleasure to work with. She was knowledgeable about the situation. She worked in HR, so she knew about that. And that helped me really present a really strong case for her, and we got a very favorable result for her that she was happy with.
So how was it that you were able to get a favorable settlement in that case when the retailer, as big as they were, terminated the manager?
Success in that case required what I call a little bit of creative lawyering. It required a little bit of the cliched thinking out of the box, and really getting into a little bit more of the details and understanding exactly what happened, and using the law as a framework to kind of guide us to an end result that we wanted to achieve for our clients. So I think the short answer is it required what I'll call some creative lawyering.